Hey guys, as you've already seen, I finally started up my engine after almost a year since I've disassembled it. Installed new crankshaft sensor into the transmission. Installed an original resistor into the electric thermostat block. This will delete any fault codes in the diagnostics. Took out a complete car loom previously removed from my facelift 740. Drop that loom on the floor same way as it lies in the car. That's the positive cable which feeds the engine. Right side, under dash part, and the left side. Need to find all of the brown ground points. So to start the car you need a cluster, ignition switch with the key together with the reading ring, shifter, general and light modules, and the immobilizer module. I've connected all of the brown grounds point together using a thread bar as well as the engines and the batteries grounds. Poured in temporary cheap oil for the first start. Here it goes. The loom is alive, but unfortunately no crank. I've started investigating the issue and turned out the car doesn't see gearbox being put in the parking position. PN switch marked as no. Here are the same settings on my car being parked in park mode. PN switch marked as yes, but the 4.6 IS dash was showing parking mode, and the transmission lever was working fine as well. Lever was also working fine. Hooked up scanner 1.4 and it showed the same PN status. One of the fault codes was transmission line disturbed. I tried hooking up my other tranny, but it didn't help. And then I noticed that one transmission module connector was missing. Hooked it up and voila. Alrighty, let's test the starter. Yes. Ran a few lines from the oil pressure sensor. Did a long crank for the oil pressure to build up. Let's add some coolant. That's the latest recommended coolant for this engine in Europe. 50-50 mix with distilled water. Connected fuel pump. Added fuel into the fuel tank. Okay, let's fire it up. Again nothing. Let's try again. Holy shit, this was scary. First I've drained the initial engine oil and poured in special break-in oil. The first big step is done. Now I need to address several issues like engine overheating, fuel leaks, floating idle RPMs, etc. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.